This video tutorial I will cover until method of YearMonth class. Here I have defined a class YearMonth demo. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created YearMonth 1. Here I have created YearMonth 2. Here I am calling until method of YearMonth 1 and passing YearMonth 2 and temporal unit as years. So this method will return the year difference between YearMonth 1 and YearMonth 2. There are 14 years difference is there. So we got minus 14. Here I am calling until method of YearMonth 1 and passing YearMonth 2 and temporal unit as months. So this method will return month difference between YearMonth 1 and YearMonth 2. And month difference between YearMonth 1 and YearMonth 2 is 178.